Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bring out your remote control and make sure you locate from the top right here, make sure you locate the setting icon. Then click on setting icon. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps right here. Go ahead and click on apps and take you right here. Scroll down right here. Then go ahead and click on Netflix right here. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. And go ahead and click on permissions. Then go ahead and click on file and media. Then go ahead and click on allow access to media only. Then go back. It's that simple. So this is how to give permission to YouTube app. It's that simple. So this is how to give permission to Netflix app on your Android TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Netflix on your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.